Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be installing some of the brightest reverse lights ever. Well, they're already installed, kind of, sort of. I just have to wire it up. And then we're going to go test it to see if it can jump better after this. So yeah, stay tuned. We're going to be sending it. So I don't know if the previous owner just never got around to it. These are already cut. Like, this is going to be the easiest install of my life. Don't look at that. Yeah, they're already cut, so I'm just going to flip them back around, run them through here, then bam, we got reverse lights. I did all the wiring and I was second guessing myself because it wasn't working. Then I realized this connection right here on the actual light. Now I'm gonna wait till it gets a little bit darker to kind of reveal the lights. It's probably gonna blind everyone around me, which is exactly what I wanted to do. So let's do it. That's in neutral.
Right.
No, it's not.
It's on the R.
No, it's not. There you go. Heck yeah.
What are your lights?
I like them. The neighbors might not right now, but isn't that sick?
I can't see anything.
Well, what do you mean? That's way better.
Your phone's in front of it.
Yeah, I realize that. Right into the neighbor's house. It's a new day. I got the mechanic special right here. Best breakfast ever. And yeah, we're going to 5 Mile. All right, we've made it to 5 Mile. Have you ever been in a trophy truck?
No.
This is gonna be great. We're gonna get his reaction. He's not my girlfriend, so I'm probably gonna send it a little bit harder. So this should be good. This is kind of a flash spot, but yeah.
It was just going.
This is the whoopier section, so let's see how he does through this one.
The YouTube videos don't do it justice. It's insane.
My Mountain Dew was right there. It's now here. Spencer's still in the truck, unfortunately. But the tail lights, dude, these zip ties are working so much better than those stupid screws. But hell yeah. Units over here. But it ain't no danger. Okay, y'all might remember this jump, so we're gonna see his reaction when we're launching it. Hopefully the sub doesn't land in my lap again, but let's see. That's great. Something's beeping. I don't know if I'm gonna bottom out. It was rubbing on the fender. We came to the only track in 5 Mile, and it's just too rocky, too skinny. There's really nowhere to go, but at least I can do my laundry. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
Quick, at least brake light.
Tip of the day, don't hit a rut when you're going, I don't know, 50, 60, you say?
Yeah.
Well, I need more zip ties. Put the zip ties in, so we're just doing it again. Well, we kept going. We found this weird terrain. I've never been here, but there's signs that say we can't go in there. So I might get arrested, so stay tuned. I feel bad for this guy. There's a control arm right there. It looks like a car. So I don't know how they got it out here. We got a building that collects tumbleweeds. This is actually really soft. That'd be cool. How's it going? Are you just ripping?
Yeah, just ripping.
Don't go that way. It's kind of garbage.
Gets a little tight.
Yeah, it's just well, you go down like not even a mile, and then it's a dead end, and then you have to shoot clear over to the other mountains, which I don't know where that goes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was trying to see if there was a way to get over onto the other side.
That's what I was too. I haven't been this far out.
Neither have I. I've never been back here. So
Yeah,
this way's pretty nice. It's pretty easy.
it is. Yeah, it's good for these. How's the Raptor doing?
Great. Great. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
I
cool.
don't have any problems with it. 70,000 miles and still holding up.
There you go. Yeah, I was trying to get one of those, but ended up.
It's a little rough nowadays.
Yeah,
Better setup.
it's crazy. Yeah, this is fun. I hit a rut over there going super fast, and my taillights just popped out.
Awesome. Doing it right.
Yeah, exactly. So, well,
Alright, take care.
yeah. See you later. Well, that guy was just in his second gen Raptor ripping it. I thought he was gonna come up and kick us out, but yeah, we found a Baja taco stand. I don't know if you guys could see that. Look at this. This is my new home. Pretty spacious. Today's market, it was only like $200,000. Hell's in here?
Gotcha.
Wow, this is pretty neat. There's a trail that goes all the way to the top, but I don't think my truck can make it. No idea what this is. All right, we ended up getting to a dead end. There wasn't really much to show anymore, so yeah, I'm just gonna end the video right here. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. So thanks for watching.